Pulkit.
Hi Anshika.
How are
Come on
you?
in. I'm good. Just come in, come in.
Tell us a
So
little
what
bit
brings
about
you here?
yourself.
So I'm currently the hostel president, and you are in my room.
Okay,
So
how
what else
have
do you
you?
want to know?
I want to know everything about your room. How have you been enjoying college, hostel, and if you also can give us a tour of your room.
Yeah, sure, man. So I mean, hostel life has been amazing till now. It has been. I mean, so we always have deadlines on our mind, but still, I mean, we are somehow managing to socialize with our friends and with our group. So I mean, we have a great room though. I mean, so if you just look around, we have a lot of tables over here. So we can do group study, or we can just chill with our friends, and we have two chairs as well. And so there we have a fridge. So this is the legacy which has been passed on by our senior batch. So it keeps on passing every year. So next year, I mean, probably someone else will have it. And then, so we have a lot of storage spaces as well for our books because we have a lot of books. We have a hidden space over here as well.
Okay,
See,
and what else?
few racks over here.
Wow, that's a lot of space.
Yeah. And our wardrobes are really cool. I mean, we have two full-size wardrobes over here. So I can just show you one. So this is what a normal wardrobe looks like. So
Great
we have
collection.
hangers and then we have a door as well. And so we have an attached washroom, which is a plus. I mean, I wouldn't have been able to manage in a shared washroom. And the washroom is great. I mean, it's like a hotel washroom. I mean,
All right. Do you want to show us your balcony as well, which is really amazing?
USP. So I've got a great balcony. I mean, I just got lucky. So we have a chill system, right? Just come on. So we have a huge balcony over here. So if you just take a round.
That's the sports complex, right?
Yes, that's the sports complex, and we regularly play sports.
Perfect, thank you. So, Pulkit, tell me about your hostel life.
So I mean, when we initially came to the hostel, so we used to chill a lot, and then eventually, I mean, the studies kicked in. So the chilling part decreased, but still, I mean, we still chill a lot. So we have a Q square in the middle of the hostel where we celebrate the birthday parties of each of our batchmates. And I mean, apart from that, we have a common washing machine as well where we wash our clothes. So there are two washing machines, I think, on each floor.
Okay.
And apart from that, so we have the cleaning staff who visit us twice a week, and we have a set schedule for them as well. So they so that your rooms are clean, and I mean, you don't face any other problems related to hygiene.
So, tell me about the mess food. How do you like that?
Yeah, so I mean, mess food is great. I mean, you have a lot of varieties. So I mean, whenever either it is for lunch, it is for dinner, it is for supper. So you have it keeps on changing. And also, since I'm the hostel mess secretary, so
Yeah.
I keep on reviewing the mess food weekly with the mess head.
Okay.
And so we do changes so that I mean there is no. I mean, you don't get similar food every week.
So, tell me more about the hostel. What all do you do, and how do you spend your time here?
Yeah, so mostly I mean on the weekdays we have classes starting 9:30 till I mean we have classes till 1, then we have a lunch break of 1.5 hours, and then we have another class starting for 2:30 to 4.
Okay.
And post 4 I mean it's chill for a while. So we play sports. I mean, or mostly all of us play different sports. So we just go to the sports complex, sports committee, and then post that I mean we have our group study sessions. So we also have study rooms over here on 3rd and 4th floor. So we have quite a few, I mean 6 study rooms over here. So wherein we do our project discussions, we do brainstorming on any subject in particular, any topic.
Tell me more about fun. It's a lot of acads that you've spoken
so
about.
recently, I mean, we had a very interesting event. So one of our batchmates got married, and since our cohort size is only of 73 members, so it's a very closely knit cohort. So we recently had a marriage of one of our batchmates in the hostel itself. So everybody, I mean, the entire batch was together. Celebrating their wedding, I mean, through different functions.
Yeah.
So it was a different experience, and it was quite great. And we have occasional parties So
Sure.
I mean, we had a few only, but then I mean, those are also great to
I think that,
bond with the
yeah,
batchmates.
Yeah, that's a great place to connect with people informally because most
Yes,
time we are just
absolutely,
studying.
Yeah. And then I mean, right now we had a lot of exams in between. So
Definitely.
I mean, this is the last week, and I think from next week onwards you'll see a lot more parties in the hostel.
Hopefully. And also, considering that all of us come here with a lot of experience, we have
Yeah.
earned a lot, we have certain way of living, comfort of
Correct,
living.
correct.
Do you feel the same here, or like how do you feel in terms of comfort in the
so,
hostel?
When I had initially come here, I wasn't expecting my hostel room to be this great actually. And especially, I mean, all of us, our average batch age is 30 years. So, I mean, we want to have our privacy, and then, I mean, we need to connect as well with our batchmates. So, individual rooms are great in that aspect. And also, I mean, in terms of amenities, it is almost like a hotel, but then you have do few things. I mean,
Yeah.
you won't get room service, etc. But apart from that, it's great.
Perfect. So it seems like you're enjoying the hostel, and thank you so much
Yeah.
for taking care of us as a hostel secretary. And thank you so
That's
much
my
for your
job.
time. Thank you so much, and see you soon.
Yeah, likewise.
Thank you.